So today I got the G.SKILL Crystal Crown keycaps, and I'm going to be replacing my Razer Blackwidow Elite stock ABS keycaps with them. Enjoy! So these keycaps are compatible with MX style stems. The top of the keycaps has a translucent crown around them so you can see the light from there, and on the bottom is completely transparent so all your light will shine through. After taking it out of the box, we can see that they come in 3 vacuum sealed bags, and they already look really good. 3 bags are separated into 3 different groups of the keyboard: the left side, the middle side, and the right side. The middle bag contains the plastic keycap holder. Now let's replace the old keycaps. Now it's time to open the first bag. Something I realized was that you had to press these keycaps hard in order for them to go on. I think the reason for that was because of the little plastic stabilizers around the stem of the switch. For the larger keys like the spacebar, the shift key, and the enter keys, you're going to need to take off the little black stabilizers from the old ones and put them on the new ones. Sometimes this can be very frustrating. The issue you're going to run into while installing any keycap set on your full-size keyboard by Razer is that the bottom row is not standard and your function key and the page key will not fit. So if that doesn't bother you, you can still get any keycap set you want for your Huntsman Elite or Blackwidow Elite. And before we get any further into this video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn post notifications on. And now what you've all been waiting for, the lighting. Believe it or not, the keyboard sounds so much better with the new keycaps. Now we're going to do a sound test. Overall, these keycaps are really nice. I really like them compared to the older ones, and if you want to buy them, there's an Amazon link in the description. And I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!